Hello friend, I am Ajit Kumar from MCA. So today I am discussing about the topic from the human interaction based on project. Wait some minutes. Hello. My topic is authentication based on fingerprint using symmetric and visual cryptography. That means authentication, purely based on authenticate. And one more thing, I am using in symmetric key, symmetric and visual cryptography. That means I am using in visually in encryption that based on fingerprint. So now I am discussing about the topic of abstract introduction, project implementation plan or future plans, modules and skill used. Then what is the project and why can you using this project. So basically this project I am using the two parts. First part I am dividing the I will show you. This is the diagram, this is the main diagram, that authentication based on proposed system, that how can you authenticate this system. First I am creating shared 1 and shared 2. Shared 1 and stored in ID card. First key will be generate the ID card and second key will be store the database. Then both key are the first key I am encrypted the another person and second key also encrypted, then both are stacked, then that means both are stacked, then matching the key. So it is stacked, otherwise you don't stacked. So this one same thing I have written in the first phase of the fingerprint using the image is dividing the two shared key with the help of visual cryptography. Finally one is encrypted format is stored in ID card, same thing I will be tell in encrypted format, and second is another one is stored in database format. And second phase I have stored in second phase. The actual authentication process is the performed based on thumb impression which is given by the person. After getting the thumb impression, the encrypted shared are decrypted and both shared are stacked to generate the thumb impression. If it is asking something that if you can generate the two key, then then both it is matching, then stacked, then generated the encrypted shared and decrypted, and both are shared are stacked to generate the thumb impression, and both are compared. If it is equal, then it is allowed, otherwise not allowed. Same. What is biometric? Biometric is the sense of technology. Nowadays so many things I am using in biometric. So iris and noise, so fingerprint, faces, so many things I am using. And now this project I am also doing in RBL section. So this is I know very well, so how can you using, and so many things I have researched in RBL. So biometric is the sense of technology measuring and analyzing the biological data. In computer security, the biometric referred to the authentication technique. Biometric authentication is the automated method or individual confirmation of the unique ID. That means you can generate the unique ID, something unique fingerprint and individual identity to confirm the examination. Basically this is using the attendance based system or some exam, and that's why it is using the fingerprint, face, voice, retina or signature. Biometrics nowadays this is the most important thing are the using in two biometric system. First one the single biometric system and second was the multi biometric system. That means single biometric system is means the you can using the single faces or single voice, and a multiple using, that means that you can using the iris and also voice, and another is retina or also fingerprint. That's all. Visual cryptography is a technique. It is allowed to the picture, text or edit and so many things, and one of the best knowledge of the technique, it is first it is created or developed by the Moni, Nair and A.D. Samit, who was developed in 1994 in terms of visual secret sharing schemes. The visual cryptography is the technique used to protecting the image based. This is the project based. This is the project based on human interaction or human security. How can you secure in a human security? That's why it is using. And so the Monineer and A.D. Samit proposed based on model of visual cryptography. The main concept of the original visual cryptography scheme is to encrypt to shared key. Same thing I will tell. And into some shared, the shared information cannot be revealed with the few shared. So all shared are the necessary to combine to reveal in secret key. All shared, that means whenever I am shared created, then all shared are revealed in the few secret. Same thing will be tell, revealed with the few shared key, and all shared key are combined to reveal the secret key. There has been some steadily greatly interested, and visual cryptography is the simple, secured, and effective cryptography technique. Same thing I will tell generate. And nowadays, now I am so three basics component I am using in skills used Java language. This is the using of coding section and internet browser, and that means I am searching from internet. So many things I am using. And MATLAB is also using the coding section. Okay sir, thank you so much.